Today we're going to be talking about how to mine Monero, which is the most popular coin to mine on your CPU, central processing unit. This will be really helpful if you have just any old laptop or computer that you want to put to work and earn some cryptocurrency in the process. So the first step is you're going to want to go to Google and search XMReg, and this is what pops up. And you want to click, both of them are fine. You can go to the xmreg.com or their GitHub. For this example, we're going to be going to their website. We're going to go to download xmreg, going to your operating system. So for me, this would be Mac OS, and you choose the type of file you want to download. So for Mac, there's Intel and Apple M1. This PC that I'm filming on is Intel. So I would click download. You should be able to unzip the file, and once you unzip the file, you should come to a screen similar to this where you have the config.json, SHA-256, and the actual application itself, xmrig. Okay, before we go on to the next step, we're going to need to install a wallet to store our cryptocurrencies that we're going to mine. So if you just go on Google and search Monero wallet today, for the example, we're going to use the official Monero wallet. And so we're going to navigate to downloads, and we're going to install, once again, the operating system specific file for our computer. And we download that. Should be fairly straightforward. You should once again find this screen. We're going to open this Monero wallet GUI. See something like this. We're going to continue, select our mode. So for this step, we're going to select simple mode. I understand. And right here. Okay, so for those of you who are new to Monero and do not yet have a wallet, you're going to hit create new wallet. But since I have been mining for some time now and I have a wallet, I'm going to go ahead and restore my wallet from my keys or mnemonic seed. So if you click to create a new wallet, like I'm going to do here, you should see these steps. Wallet name, where you're going to store the wallet, which is a wallet location, and this right here, the mnemonic seed. This is very important. You're going to want to write this down or take a picture of it, whatever. But if you lose these 25 words, and you lose your password, then everything you've been mining is pretty much gone because you can't access it anymore. We're just going to click next. We're going to set a password, and then we're going to hit create wallet. But since I already have a wallet, we're going to restore my wallet from those 25 words. This is why it is so incredibly important that you remember these 25 words and store them somewhere. What we need this wallet for is for the wallet address. So it doesn't matter if wallet still says it's syncing, you can still move along to this step. You're going to want to click receive, and you want to copy this address. So you click on it to copy it, and then we're going to move back to our xmrig folder. We're going to open that config file, and we're going to not worry about anything up here. Just scroll down to the part where it says pools. Okay, this is where we're going to make some changes. So for the algorithm, in quotation marks, type RX/0. Coin, you can leave that blank, and this URL. Okay, so when deciding on a URL, this is what we're actually going to be connecting to a pool. So by yourself with your little computer, you can choose to solo mine, where you put your computer pretty much against a bunch of other people that are mining Monero, and your guys are racing to solve a block, and the person who solves the block gets a reward. And because your computer might be old or slow, and you might not have the hash rate or computing power to get the blocks, we connect to something we call pools. Okay, so we go back to Google. We're gonna go to miningpoolstats.stream, and it's gonna take you here. We're gonna click Monero, and this pretty much is just gonna show you all the pools that you can connect to. So here are all the pools. You can see their hash rate and their pool fee. So those are the two main things I like to look for. And from this list, you can pretty much use any one. I would stick to maybe the top 15-ish if you really like to support the blockchain. And so I actually like to use MoneroOcean.stream, but I've used a lot of these other ones. So if you go onto their website, this is what we need. Pool URL, which is going to be gulf.moneroocean.stream. So we're going to go here and type that in quotation marks. So gulf.moneroocean.stream colon, and then we're going to need this port number, which is 10128. So colon 10128. This user is going to be your wallet ID. So go back to your wallet, and we should have copied your wallet address. I'm gonna go here, paste that in. Password and rig ID, you don't have to fill those out if you don't want to. And from here, save the file. Go back to your folder, and we're gonna start mining by double clicking the execute file. So here we are. We've started mining. As you can see, there's a lot going on. Right off the bat, there are some commands you can use to control xmrig. You have H, which is going to be hash rate, and just starting up, so that's why you see NA. S, which is going to be the number of shares you solved, which is what you're going to be rewarded for. So the more accepted shares you get, the better. And in rare cases, sometimes you will see some rejected or invalid shares, and that just means you weren't quick enough to solve the puzzle, and you won't be rewarded for those. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Started mining, and we do have some accepted shares, as you can see here. And once again, by clicking that S key on your keyboard, you should be able to see your results. So we have 2 accepted shares, and hash rate, you can see it's around 529-ish, because I'm using a bunch of applications on this computer. With this computer, I can usually get about 1 kilohash per second, which is, it's okay. It's not great, but it'll work. So after mining for a bit, you can actually go on to Monero, the pool you're using, website, and this works for every single pool. Like, let's go to MineXMR, for example. You can go to your dashboard and type in your address to actually view how much you've mined. So we're going to do that here. And as you can see, we have mined this much Monero, and this isn't all in this recording. I've been mining for quite a while now, and especially for MoneroOcean.stream, you can go ahead, click this drop down right here, and this is just for settings. You can update your payment threshold, so once your total due balance reaches your threshold, it'll automatically pay you out to your wallet. You can also add emails for email alerts to tell you when you got payment or like when your computer stops submitting hashes. And right here you can show your payments, and you see I got paid out 15 days ago. Um, so yeah, that's mining. Oh, we got a couple more accepted shares. This is exciting. So yeah, this is just a quick tutorial on how to mine Monero and put your old computers to work and make some extra change. Hope you enjoyed.